This is a super quick demo of the Mini Dragon Warrior Project Iteration 0. It's just a simple battle system to recreate the battle system of Dragon Warrior, the original on the NES. So really all it does right now is you can fight by pressing A here in the game. And it says Brian attacks, Slime attacks, and it just goes back and forth like that. There's not a lot to that. There's a couple things you might notice going on here. One, you've got the blinking cursor. Two, you've got, text popping up over here. So the way it works code-wise, again, we're in Dragon Ruby here. We've got a lot of the basically just simple rendering. This was like my first version, so a lot of this is not more advanced than outputting a lot of sprites to the screen. And just for so like the arrow's just a picture, the background's a picture, the commands are a picture, that kind of thing. And it all gets layered together. So the original thing, you just had this, and I kind of layered over top of it to make it work. So basically the way this is working is in the code, got like building the tile maps. You've got just a lot of outputting these various sprites and layering them on the screen. So you've got kind of like a background layer, then you've got this background layer here, and then you've got these little boxes separately. This arrow floats on top and it flashes. The sprite image here of the monster hangs out there. It doesn't flash or anything yet. And then the text is actually generated here. So we have basically these labels that get outputted every time. And so when we change the text, we're basically changing the text output state. And then that gets rendered every frame. So it'll do that, and then on a timer, it'll wait, and so on and so forth. As far as how making this work, we create a hero, and then our text output starts as empty, and then we're basically checking the keys, doing actions, and rendering outputs each time. And that's really a lot of it. It's a lot of looping. There's a little check in here code-wise for the, let's see, where is that? So you're like checking for key input. If it is, then there's an attack action, and then the do actions. If there's no action, there's that. If there's an attack action, it does the math calculations, change the things, and then waits on a timer. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed it.